So here's the quick version, because my battery's running low, and I had to go when I started making this the first time, because my girlfriend decided to call me, and that takes priority. So here I have one set of cable ties. Here it says rated to 55 kilograms, 370 by 7.6 millimeters, and it says the extra strength due to increased material thickness. Now here we have their other version, which is 85 megapascals, high tensile strength. And this one is extra strength due to heavier weight of materials used. So this one's a heavier weight of plastic. It's just a more dense plastic, and this one's a thicker version of a thinner plastic. Both at the same dimensions, 370 by 7.6, 370 by 7.6, and we're about to test out which one's more indestructible. That's 55 kilograms. This one is 85 megapascals, which is 866 kilograms per square centimeter. I don't know how many square centimeters there are in a cable tie, but we're going to find out which one holds 72 kilos, which is myself, including my clothes. So let's start out with the 55 kilos. We would expect this one to fail at 70 kilos if it's strictly rated to 55 kilos. So let's go. Okay, we're on about an inch. That's a fail. More than 55 kilograms. Yes. Now, let's go for the 85 megapascals and see if this one holds. Sounds a lot stronger on the clicks. Same position halfway through. Ready? That's actually stronger. Don't know what to make of that. Oops. That's substantially stronger. I would give that a pass. But it's too hard to hold on to with bare hands. Let's give it a quick bounce test. Successful fail, but that took a lot of effort. So from that we can say that 55 kilograms indeed will fail at 72 kilograms. 85 megapascals will not fail at 72 kilograms. In fact, it takes me bouncing with considerable force. Can't even guesstimate, maybe 80, somewhere around 80 to 90 kilograms of force will make that fail, but I can assure you that will be the stronger of the options. Both available, both a similar price. Take the one rated in megapascals. Done. Party on.